Today we're starting an epic journey to see if I can turn £400 into either a Porsche 911 or a BMW E30 325i. I really like this one. But how the f am I going to do that? Am I going to steal one? Am I going to rob a bank? Both of which are great ideas, but what I'm actually going to do is a lot more difficult, and we're going to take a look at in today's video. Now this is going to be borderline impossible, but I think we can do it. Okay, so here's the plan. I've got £400 and the dream to get behind the wheel of either a Porsche or an E30. But how am I going to do that? Well, basically, I'm just going to buy really cars. The goal is to buy really cheap cars, fix them up a bit, and then hopefully sell them for a profit, repeating the process until we can afford either the BMW or the Porsche. We might come across some cool cars along the way, or perhaps just drive some that we wouldn't have otherwise. Either way, I think it's going to be a lot of fun. So how exactly am I going to do this? Well, it all starts at my local car auction. These auctions are a gold mine for finding cars at a bargain price. Each car gets about a minute on the block, and it's a high-paced bidding war. The key here is to spot the hidden gems that others might overlook. So let me take you through what went down at the auction. Picture this, I'm standing there, heart's racing, and I'm waiting for the right moment. And then 3 hours go by, and I've been outbid on every single car. So what do? Well, the opposite of what any smart man would do. Bid on one of the very last cars available because I'm panicking. The bidding starts and it's on. I throw in my bid and it's mine for just £400. I mean, it's got some light scratches and some rust. And with that, we paid and set about getting the car home. Right, Future Rich here. I've just realised I haven't actually shown you around the car. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk out there and I'm going to walk back to the car and pretend like this is the first time I got the car home and I'm showing you guys and I'm like, wow, this is really exciting. So this is a BMW 318Ci, I think. Right, see if it starts. Probably won't, BMW. Not bad. But there is one thing that's broken in the interior, and that is this guy. It's yeah, it's in pieces. So I think what we'll do is we'll just take it out completely, and no one will know the difference. The whole inside is completely, I mean the whole car really is just all original wheels, radio, the whole lot. The receipts for it, for all of the work done, there is bucket loads. This car has had so much money spent on it, and after a quick clean, the inside genuinely looks spotless. Leather seats, cruise control, aircon, obviously, all of that bullshit. There's not really much to say about it, to be honest, it's just nice. Standard radio, automatic, loads of buttons on the steering wheel, volume, voice stuff, cruise control. Love cruise control. Got some buttons up here. All works. Everything on this car works. Oh, there is actually a chocolate in here I need to get rid of. I don't really want that to melt. So yeah, this is the car, BMW 3 Series, 318Ci. No, I don't understand BMWs, are really confusing. It's a 2004 though, and I paid 2 days ago just £400 for this car. There were a bit of fees on top of that, so it was more like 670 something, but don't worry about that. £400 for this car, which is amazing. You can't get most things for £400 nowadays. That's insane. Time to get this up ready for sale. First up, we're giving it a thorough clean, then I'll tackle those scratches with some buffing and recondition the headlights to make them look brand new. Okay, so we're gonna start cleaning the inside. It's not bad. I think it's actually really nice in here. It's just dusty. Things just need a dust and a bit of a wipe down. There is a bit of dirt in places. See that in the footwell, and the gator, as per, is just cranky. So, I'm gonna clean it all. I'm gonna wipe it down. I don't want to spend too much time on it. Maybe give the seats a bit of a clean too. Got some leather balm. That'll all come up nice. Dashboard looks nice. Steering wheel's really clean too. Door cards are really clean. Leather on the door cards, leather seats. I do have the mats, they're in the boot. And with that, both the exterior and the interior of the car is now clean. So we can get it up for sale and see exactly how much money we can make. What am I hoping to get for it? I honestly don't know. Minimum, I'm hoping for £900, if I'm honest. I've got to start somewhere. This is the very first car I bought to make money on. I've done loads of bikes before, but I've never really done a car to make money on. I do think I overpaid a little bit for this one, but I needed to pull the trigger on something, so I did. If you want to find out how much I actually sold this car for and how much money I actually made, if I made any, click here. If there's nothing there, the video's not uploaded yet, so just check the channel or subscribe. Bye!